Hello fam, I'm Yowawerts, and in this video, I will be making this Spider-Man inspired DIY shooter. It shoots its bullets as far as 20 feet, and it certainly is very easy to make, but before I show you how I made it, please consider subscribing to this channel and click the bell icon if you're interested in crafty videos like this. Okay, let's get started. I first measured my wrist and used this as a guide to make the cuff. I designed mine like so, but you can figure your craft however you like. Then, I bent the cardboard with a ruler like so. Using a thinner piece of cardboard will make this task easier compared to thicker ones, so you might consider, of course, the thinner pieces of cardboard. I then recycled 2 retractable pens which I no longer needed. I removed their springs and collided them like so. After securing the springs, I then glued the piece to the cuff. For the trigger, I used popsicle sticks and connected them together with tape. Once that was finished, you're basically done with the entire mechanism of this DIY shooter. But to make it more appealing, I cut out a few cardboard pieces to cover the pen and added a few touches to the cuff. I was planning to color it with blue and red, but as I looked at my unpainted work, it looked totally raw, but somehow it was fetching for my sight, so I just left it this way. Lastly, I placed magic tape to the cuff so that I can wear it with ease. So that was how I made this DIY shooter. I hope you guys liked it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and comment down your thoughts for this creation. Or if you have any suggestions on what I should make next. I've already made claw machines that don't need wires nor syringes, vending machines which are coin operated, and many more creations, so if you haven't watched any of those, feel free to visit my channel and check out those awesome crafts. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon!